Math Miracle. Welcome to Bulbul Ma'am's series of stressless math classes during lockdown. Come and enjoy the journey with me, in which you will get assistance for classes 10 and 12 math syllabus of ICSE, ISC, CBSE Madhyamik and Ucha Madhyamik in my teaching career of 36 years in one of the premier schools in India. I got to know different types of students with varied strengths and weaknesses. I have selected the topics in which little assistance from my side will take you to a better situation during this self-study time. This video is dedicated to all my students around the world whom I miss today. Stay home, stay safe, and exercise your brains and minds. Happy, stressless learning. I must thank my dear young Alec, without whose technical assistance this would have not been possible. Triangles. Illustrative examples number 1. In the figure, the area MNQ is given to be 25 centimeters square. Area of triangle PQO is 49 centimeters square. Given MNOP, a trapezium, you have to find the area of trapezium MNOP. Solution. In the triangles MNQ and PQO, MN is parallel to PO. Angle NMQ is equal to angle QOP, alternate angles. Similarly, angle MNQ is equal to angle QPO, alternate angles. MQN is equal to PQO, vertically opposite angles. Triangles MNQ and PQO are similar to each other. Area of triangle MNQ over area of angle PQO is equal to 25 by 49 given. Again, area of triangle MNQ by area of triangle PQO is equal to MN square by PO square is equal to NQ square by PQ square. Since the ratios of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratios of the squares of any two corresponding sides. Now from 1 and 2, NQ by PQ is equal to MN by PO is equal to MQ by OQ is equal to 5 by 7. Since triangles MNQ and PQO are similar, therefore their corresponding sides are proportional. Again, area of triangle MNQ over area of triangle NQO is equal to half base into altitude, that is half MQ into height H1, this height, by half NQO area is half OQ into H1 height is equal to MQ by OQ. H1 is the height of both the triangles MNQ and NQO. (25 by NQO is equal to 5 by 7 from 3. Therefore, NQO is equal to 35 centimeters square. Similarly, MPQ by MNQ, MPQ by MNQ is equal to half PQ into H2 and half Q into H2. H2 is the height of both the triangles. MNQ by MNQ, MPQ by MNQ is equal to PQ by QN is equal to 7 by 5. Therefore, we get triangle MPQ is equal to 35 centimeters square. Therefore, area of the trapezium is equal to 25 plus 35 plus 35 plus 49 is equal to 144 centimeters square. Illustrative example number 2. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to FG and is parallel to HI is parallel to BC, and AD is equal to DF is equal to FH is equal to HP. In area of triangle, if area of triangle BGC, GC is equal to 64 units, then you have to find the area of quadrilateral DEGF. DEGF. Solution. Triangles ADE and AFG are similar to each other. Therefore, triangle ADE by triangle AFG is equal to AD square by AF square is equal to 1 by 2 square is equal to 1/4. Since we have AD is to DF 1 is to 1, therefore AD is to AF will be 1 is to 2. Therefore, triangle AFG is equal to 4 times triangle ADE. If triangle ADE is equal to X in area, therefore AFG is equal to 4X. Considering triangles AFG and AHI, this is equal to AF by AH whole square is equal to 2 by 3 whole square is equal to 49. AF is to H is 2 is to 3 because we have here A, if we take 2 parts, and H is 3 parts. Therefore, 4 by 9. 4x by triangle AHI is equal to 4 by 9, and from there we get area of triangle AHI is equal to 9x. Similarly, triangle AHI by triangle ABC is equal to H by AB whole square is equal to 3 by 4 whole square is equal to 9 by 16. Since we have ratio of areas of triangles is equal to ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. 9x by triangle ABC is equal to 9 by 16, and we get triangle ABC is equal to 16x. Now triangle BGC is equal in area to triangle ABG. Okay, then we have triangle BGC is half into 16x is equal to 8x, but given area of triangle BGC is equal to 64 units, then we get 8x is equal to 64 or x is equal to 8 units. Area of quadrilateral is equal to quadrilateral DEGF. We are supposed to find out DEGF. Area of DEGF is equal to triangle AFG minus triangle ADE. AFG is equal to 4x. We have got AFG is equal to 4x. 4x minus AD is x is equal to 3x. But we have got x is equal to 8. So 3 into 8, 24 units.